The even setting is really useful when you're using edge slide. So I'm just going to press Ctrl R and make an edge slide right here. If I press E, I can enable that even setting, and you're not going to be able to see it very well in the video, but there's the vertex on this yellow line at the bottom turn blue to show us which side it's making, it's copying the same profile as. If I press F, it's going to switch sides. So now the blue is up here. Maybe you'll be able to kind of see that as I'm changing that. But if we click now and press F9, or we can go down here, we can, press even, change this down here. So just the same settings, turn on even, and then flip it. So I can, increase the number of cuts there. That's, not doing a great job. Never mind, can't do that. But you can do it with one, so that's nice. And then we can do as many as we want inside of that. So anyway, super cool. This has been very helpful in many cases. Hope that was useful. Thanks for your time, and consider subscribing. See ya.